Oi, what do you mean we're broke?
You spent it all!
I spent it?
Aye, you and your pals getting mad with it at the pub.
Listen here then. Where are you going?
Don't be gone long, pet. Tea will be ready in a wee while.
Yeah, right.
Broke, I guess Christmas is going to be horrid again. No presents and no surprises. Oh well, what's the point of Christmas anyway?
Whoa! Yeah!
What a beautiful night. The stars are so bright. Look how they twinkle and shine. They're so quiet and so peaceful. The sky is amazing. Callum said the Big Bang made it. But how could something so perfect be an accident? Moira said God made it. I don't know. How did all this get here?
Your voice of thunder, the old stop twisting. The forest sounds with cedars breaking. The water singing and started riding. From the depths the sun is rising. Now it's rising from the ground.
they lovely? They look like diamonds.
Each one is so different. Why would God make them that way? Did God make me that way?
Aye, there's no one else like you. God made everyone unique. We each have our own talents and has great plans for you and me, even if we are from Paisley. He made everyone special in their own way. Isn't that incredible?
What makes me so special?
I
wish Mum and Dad thought I was special. Why are they so angry? They're always shouting. Dad's always drinking. All he cares about is what he wants.
Get off! Stop! Leave me alone! I did it.
I didn't do anything to them. Why are people so mean? I wish people would just be happy. I wish I was happy. It's Christmas after all. So why does my heart hurt so much?
I wonder if I'll ever find my way. I wonder if my life could really change at all. All this earth, could all that is lost ever be found? Could a garden come up from this ground at all? You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us. All around, hope is springing up from this old ground. Out of chaos, life is being found in you. Make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us. Oh, you make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of things.
fighting. And the kids at school, can you make them kind and not bullies? God, can you make people happy? Can you make me happy? I don't know how you do it, but please show me. Look,